시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니? Morning, love. Where are you going?
Sa merkado.
This is free. I got this for free. This is yours. Mura niya akong ibayran, guys.
이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이만쯤 너와의 여행.
We're waiting for our flight. It's 4:58 in the morning. Giabot mi dari at around 4? No, 3.
3:30.
3:30. I think giabot mi dari at around 3:30. And then we went straight to check in. We get our boarding pass. Then after that, diretso mi sa immigration. Karon na sa departure waiting for our flight. And you know what time is our flight? In 8:05. Karon it's 4:58 pa. Grabe kami ka-early. So, ina na mi mo biyahe. So, sayo kayo. Because we don't know manggod sa mga requirements. Kaya this is our first time going. It is our first time gid nga magbiyahe international aside from Dubai, ha. So, wala mi kabaloon sa mga patakaran.
Yeah.
Here, Vaughn. Thank you. Multivitamins and slime. No. Kaya mo lang.
At least
Nanami sa plane. Pero busy pag akong bala.
Dubai Mall, I think.
Hard working husband. Wala mo nag-order o meal sa airplane. So you can just bring noodles or biscuits and then kaya lang mag-hot water. It's just free one. So no worries. I just saw this online. They make a funnel. Wala talagang press stop. Tapos na ako. We found friend.
Republic of Armenia.
We just landed and grabe kalabad akong ulo.
Wala siya na-train sa plane, guys.
So pag naog na mo from airport, we went directly to
너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이
old di Corinthi. Oh, kita mo. After 2 hours ay pamikabot sa among hotel. We are here at Anga Yerevan Hotel. Room tour sa the people on earth. Pagsulod nimo, muni siya sami. Okay, but that is real. Okay. Wow, light. Wow. Right. Perfect for makeup though. Di man ko ga makeup. Our luggages. My bag. Lower. And my husband is still working. Even nakabakasyon siya. Sabi ka hardworking niya kung bana. Thank you so much, my love. Sa TV. And our view. Amazing kay among view. Charang. Charang. Nabalay nga pala human. So, kanya mong view for the next 3 days. Laban lang ta sa view. This is a non-smoking room. Travel ka international, don't forget to bring your travel adapter because patakabalo kung unsa ang type net. Different types sa plug. Sa UAE, muni ilang type. I don't know what is that. UK type. There is Kanisha. And I think this one also. So this is the brand of... Wait lang, nangabri na ko check bintana. Na-inside siya.
Yeah.
Nakabot mi sa hotel mga around 2 o'clock. and then rest amig 1 hour, freshen up, and then now it's currently 3:31. So we're planning to go to
Church.
the church first, cathedral here. Paan lang, mga 5 minutes walk or less than 5 minutes walk lang from our hotel. Nag-buy me og bread for 250 dirham. O sa lang sa mga palit na ito.
Ano lang, church, oh?
Wow. Parang. Before me masulod, dun sa nama mong food. Guys, dami kayo. Oh my god. Ang beef, ang beef.
Mulog.
Masag giniling. Parang lumpia, guys, lumpia.
잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아.
Gikan mi sa sulod. Amazing. Wow, look at this. Among tour will start at 7:40. 7:30 or 7:40 pamikwaon sa hotel for our city tour and then our welcome dinner. So we still have 3 hours pa para mag-stroll near sa among hotel. Basta make sure lang nga dili kay mi mulayo sa among hotel.
Nakabalo ka sa itong hotel?
I don't know, my husband is a good
Wala na ako kabalo, eh.
may good unsa na GPS. So okay lang, confident lang kay ko. Unsa na?
Alstroemeria.
Ha?
Alstroemeria, Frisia, Pala.
Ang design is like kogon. Charot lang. See, tugnaw kay Deriao niya nag-cold coffee. Ambot na lang yun na to. Di ba kata ubakon ani? This one is cost 300 dirham.
One step.
Guys, nice kayo lang ko na. Nice kayo lang car.
And in front of you, you can see the statue of Mother Armenia. She's holding a sword, which symbolizes strength and power.
Our equipment for photos and TikTok. Feeling mo nga. Digital creator. Mundo ko nun ni ilang gigamit ng mga equipment during World War I. And then that section mo nang sa World War II. Pagiran sa nako ang ligid. Yung ilang gigamit. Oh, dili mo sunod ng tao. Sundalo. Nakahawid na mo stanky sa gigamit sa World War II. Ako nakahawid na.
You can see the statue of Alexander Tamanyan, the main architect of Yerevan I was talking about. So he's leaning on a bridge which has 2 sides. And here you can see the map of Yerevan with main destinations. If we will open the light a little bit. Yeah, right. Yes, one side.
This is chocolate.
This chocolate and cappuccino with chocolate. Have a good night.
Guys, perfect kayo ang kainit sa kape o sa chocolate.
Dami ka mag-vodka. Yeah.
Wow ha! It's currently 14 degrees Celsius na karon as per their weather, but it's okay pa man. Tolerable pa kalbo.
Okay pa man siya. Di ba man ganun ka siya tugnaw?
God. Wow, amazing. So kaning stairs daw ko no, it's approximately 700 steps going to Victoria's Park. Nakatong among giadtuan sa first stop namo. Nara dito na among kuan guys, among transportation. Dako kayo social tayo. From Holiday Factory. Republic Square down there. Republic Square ni siya people. Asma square ani.
Around us, we have 5 major buildings. So as I mentioned, the one with the clock.
Hapit may nahulaan sa mong van kay murag halos magkaparehas.
Wala ko nang uban, B. Oo.
Uy, kuha naman din ni. Dala naman din ni